Welcome to Lesson 1 of the Power Query Foundation series. If you want to practice and follow the lesson, download sample data for free if you have not done so. Link in description. Today we begin with the most important question. What is Power Query? By the end of this lesson you will understand what Power Query does, why it exists, and how it changes the way you clean and prepare data forever. Power Query is a data transformation engine inside Excel. It reads your source data, cleans it, reshapes it, and delivers a final table that is ready for analysis. The key idea is simple. You do not clean data manually. You build a repeatable workflow that Power Query can refresh automatically. This means you save time, reduce errors, and create a reliable process that works every single day. Let us relate this to the Power Query demo. Imagine you receive a messy sales file every morning. The file has extra rows, wrong column types, inconsistent dates, and repeated values. Instead of cleaning this manually, you load the file into Power Query. Power Query reads the table, applies each step in order, and produces a clean output. When the next file arrives, you simply press refresh and Power Query repeats the entire workflow automatically. Now let us look at how Power Query processes steps. Every action you perform becomes an applied step. Power Query stores these steps in a structured sequence. When you refresh the query, Power Query runs the steps from top to bottom. This is why Power Query is reliable. It does not forget steps. It does not make mistakes. It follows the workflow exactly as you designed it. Let us explore a real business scenario. You work in finance and receive monthly general ledger dumps. The dumps contain thousands of rows with inconsistent descriptions and missing categories. Cleaning this manually takes hours. With Power Query you build a workflow once. The workflow trims text, cleans descriptions, removes duplicates, and applies mapping rules. Every month you press refresh and the entire cleaning process completes in seconds. To recap, Power Query is a data transformation engine that reads your source data, cleans it, reshapes it, and delivers a final table ready for analysis. It replaces manual cleaning with a repeatable workflow that refreshes automatically. This is Lesson 1. There are many lessons in this series. Remember to subscribe and follow the channel so that you catch the next lesson immediate when it is ready.